Hello and welcome to a quick new tutorial video, and this is about connecting your account to MetaTrader 5 on the mobile. So here you go to the App Store, type in MetaTrader, it should pop up. MetaTrader 5 is the one that you're wanting to download. Open up MetaTrader, accept the buttons that it's showing you, and then this is where you will then search for the broker. Okay, so our broker is VT Markets. Up comes VT Markets. This is very important, okay? So you got to make sure you're connecting to the right server, okay? VT Markets on this example, live 2, okay? Just make sure you would have been emailed your credentials. Make sure that it's a like for like, and you are inputting the right server. Here you put in your login details and your password that you would have been sent from VT Markets. This is where you would then sign in. Your account will then open, and you'll see either the open trades or the closed trades. And you will also see your account constantly being updated from the trades that we are placing on your account. It's a really nice, simple tool. And it's also great for either showing potential customers or clients or friends that how well you're doing. And any other questions, just keep me posted and we will chat soon. Cheers. Bye.